Shocking news. Ripple XRP lawyer betrayed company in court. The lawyer of the CEO of Ripple has submitted an application to resign from the position of the company's lawyer. Today, we will tell you why he did it. You can see the current price of XRP on your screens with a daily trading volume of 648,452,340 used. XRP has declined by 3.2 in the last 24 hours. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. Also in this video, we will show the lucky winner of Give away free 500 XRP, and maybe it will be you, so watch the video carefully until the end. According to the theory of technical analysis, it is believed that the triangle is a trend continuation figure. However, given that this is a descending triangle, not an ascending one, we can conclude that the probability of the continuation of the uptrend is not very high. If XRP breaks through the red line, then the price is likely to go up again. At the same time, the first target will be the level of 28 cents, the previous peak from August 23. The second target is the 33 cents level, the top of June 20. The final goal will be the 42 cents mark, which was reached on May 17. At the moment, there has not been a real breakthrough of the red resistance line yet, and therefore it may be necessary to refrain from buying. Only on a real breakdown of the resistance will the purchase transactions be justified. Lawyer James Phelan added that at the same time, all other lawyers continue to participate in the process. According to James Phelan's Twitter post, lawyer Rodrigo Sierra has filed a motion to participate in the trial. Sierra filed a petition for pro-hack vice on behalf of amicus curiae paradigm operations. Pro-hack vice is a legal term for adding a lawyer to a case in a state where he is not authorized to do so, unless he is engaged in unauthorized legal practice. Earlier, the investment company Paradigm, specializing in cryptocurrencies, filed a petition asking for permission to file an amicus opinion in an ongoing lawsuit. Attorney Jeremy Hogan answered a user's question regarding the XRP lawsuit. The user asked if the SEC would file for review of the summary judgment before appealing it. Hogan said the commission could move on to a second review. He added, however, that he doubted the SEC would appeal after the loss. So far, it looks too dangerous. Hogan said that if the SEC loses the appeal, it will become the supervisory authority. This could lead to the SEC losing the case in the Second Circuit. Hogan believes that the Securities and Exchange Commission will not take risks, as it would be reasonable to act here. However, the Commission can then focus on the exchange and fraud taking place in the crypto market. After the failure to prevent and take action against Spafenfax, the XRP lawsuit became more important than ever for the Commission. At the moment, Ripple and the SEC have appealed to District Judge Annalisa Torres with a request not to send XRP's lawsuit to court and rule in their favor in summary proceedings. The Securities and Exchange Commission sent a statement to reporters early on December 13 at 2:10 a.m. Eastern Time to announce its charges against Sam Bankman-Fried. The time of sending the letter did not matter much, since such messages are usually sent between 6 and 9 in the morning. But it made sense if you are familiar with the motives of Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC, who is always on alert. This is just speculation, but the unusual timing of the email was probably an attempt to get ahead of the Justice Department, which announced the opening of criminal charges against Bankman-Fried on Tuesday morning. By submitting a complaint from his agency first, Gensler apparently hopes to receive thanks from the public on the day SBF goes to trial. Such behavior is the norm for Gensler, who in October took the unusual step of launching a video on Twitter to announce the SEC fine against Kim Kardashian, releasing it early Monday morning for maximum publicity. Kardashian's fine has been linked to a relatively minor crypto bust since June 2021, but it did involve a celebrity, so Gensler was more active than ever. This self-promotion advertising in the media and social networks is tedious and even ridiculous, especially considering that Gensler claims to manage the cryptocurrency market, but has repeatedly missed a series of colossal scams including Terra stablecoin and Voyager and Celsius creditors, which cost investors billions of dollars. And then there's FTX. The SEC complaint says Sam Bankman-Fried's cryptocurrency exchange has been a scam since its launch 3 years ago, which raises the question of why Gensler didn't notice it and warn people to stay away. As criticism of Gensler grows, the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, who cares about the image, is retreating strongly. He has given interviews in publications such as the New York Times and Politico in an attempt to turn his incompetence into success. Member of the House of Representatives Tom Emmer, Republican from Minnesota, a member of the Republican Party leadership, said he would force Gensler to testify before Congress in 2023. A rapidly gaining popularity young Democrat from the Bronx, member of the House of Representatives Richie Torres, DNY, said he was also fed up with Gensler's antics. The principle of the SEC should be to protect investors, not to advertise a political appointee, Torres wrote in a public letter last week. The letter calls Gensler solely responsible for the OFF's disaster. Members of both parties are watching his game, but it's too early to discount Gensler. He has the support of influential Senator Elizabeth Warren, Massachusetts, and her progressive aides, as well as connections in high circles from his days at Goldman Sachs and as finance director of Hillary Clinton's presidential campaign. Nevertheless, it seems that it is only a matter of time before Gensler is removed and the White House appoints someone who will do the job he was supposed to do. Create a regulatory framework that, in the case of cryptocurrencies, will protect retail investors and allow good professionals to create innovative crypto and blockchain companies in the American market. Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, and the architect of the new digital economy, knew about Ripple 13 years ago, in 2009. This was discussed in a video by Crypto Airy, a well-known blogger in the XRP community. Someone thought I was crazy and asked, "Yike comments, how in the world Satoshi could have talked about a pay-enge Ripple in 2009? Please research Ryan Fugger and Ripple Pay." This opinion was confirmed by Ripple's technical director, David Schwartz. Yeah. Ryan Fugger didn't have the technology to create decentralized assets, so instead he built a decentralized system consisting of multiple centralized assets that could interact. Ripple as a decentralized payment system was invented by Fugger back in 2004 and was called Ripple Pay. Over time, Fugger passed the concept on to Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb, but that's another story. According to Schwartz, Ryan Fugger at that time did not have the technology to create decentralized assets, so he built a peer system consisting of interacting centralized assets. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.